Stop scrolling! This isn't an ordinary motorhome. This massive expedition machine combines extreme off-road, power with a luxury home on wheels. Just wait until you see the inside. From the front, this beast looks absolutely unstoppable. The massive black grille, sharp LED headlights, heavy-duty bumper, front winch, and oversized off-road tires give it an aggressive road presence. Now look at the back. The rugged body, large storage compartments, heavy-duty construction, and adventure equipment make this motorhome ready for long-distance exploration. The full-side profile shows just how enormous this machine really is. Its metallic gray body, blue LED accents, massive wheel arches, huge tires, utility compartments, and panoramic cabin windows create an incredible expedition design. From the rear angle, you can see the complete luxury expedition setup. The large living cabin, dark panoramic windows, roof-mounted equipment, and rugged lower body make this machine ready for serious adventures. Now let's take a look from above. Multiple spare tires, solar panels, satellite equipment, roof storage, and adventure gear make this motorhome prepared for off-grid journeys. Step inside and everything changes. The rugged exterior opens into a luxurious mobile home with premium seating, modern finishes, large windows, smart storage, and a comfortable living space. The driver cockpit is built for complete control, a commanding driving position. Modern dashboard, advanced controls, and a wide windshield give the driver an incredible view of the road ahead. The bedroom brings luxury to the wilderness. A spacious bed, premium materials, practical storage, soft lighting, and large windows create the perfect place to relax after a long adventure. The bathroom is compact but luxurious, featuring modern fixtures, smart storage, and a clean premium design that keeps you comfortable wherever you travel. The kitchen is made for life on the road with modern appliances, practical countertops, generous storage, and everything needed to prepare meals far away from the city. This is more than a motorhome. It's a luxury home, an extreme expedition vehicle, and an adventure machine all in one. Would you take this beast on your next adventure? Comment below and follow for more incredible motorhomes.